Hi, my name is James and I'd like to tell you about our Catalyst F14 proposal. If you open the Catalyst voting app, navigate to the Cardano Open Developers category, and then sort by impact score from high to low, you'll see that this proposal has the second highest average impact score. Why? Because it matters to developers. What we are providing is an open source template with Cardano Token-Based Login and database authentication built in. We're saving developers time by open sourcing what we are already using here in the Andamio platform. When a user connects their wallet, sure, they get all the benefits of connecting a Cardano wallet to an application, but they are also authenticated to the developer's database. And this allows you to build Web 2 friendly applications with Web 3 built in. We're using the T3 app stack because it's very popular with developers and it's built on some industry standard Node.js development libraries. The only thing we're replacing is NextAuth. We're going to rip this out and we're going to use Cardano authentication instead. We're saving time for any developer who has an idea and wants to build a Cardano dApp quickly. And we appreciate your vote. Thanks.